All the speakers have been inspiring. The lineup is incredible and would definitely come back.
We get to connect with the amazing community here. So thank you so much, Upscale Conference.
Is amazing. Just a really great environment, lots of really amazing people. Just thank you, Upscale.
Kudos to the Free Pick team. Love having you guys in town. Do more events like these.
I love Upscale. I think it's incredible. I love coming down to San Francisco and seeing all of the movers and shakers in the AI and tech space.
We join creatives and technologists for the first time so that we can learn from each other to develop better products and to become more creative at our work.